Interview. Which boards did you buy today?
One is a spawn, just my like standard size,
Right.
5'11", just for normal good days. And we got peri peri for summer waves, like when it's flat, when it's more like short, 5'8",
Yeah.
kind
Awesome.
of flat rocker, like fun and fast, was more waves.
Great.
Perfect for summer.
Awesome. Nice head, by the way.
Sorry?
Nice head.
Thank you. Done?
Yeah, now we're going for surf.
Yes.
Good. Really good. Happy with the new boards. Also bought some t-shirts and some towels. Shopping day. Yay, I love shopping. Found some waves here. Finally, we stopped before in never been in somewhere else. In a couple of more beaches, and we decided to finally stay here because we found some waves, and we definitely need to jump into the water because it's too hot outside. And I'm wearing like a full dress now because I don't want to burn. The sun is too hot, but now I'm going to take it off and jump into the water. Yay! New surfboard. Alright, so we got changed. We got our bikinis on. The sand is super hard. Too hard. It's literally hurts to step on the sand, but I'm happy that I took these shoes, but someone didn't, and it's running really fast right now to the water. This is something that is must to put your sunscreen on, and I'm using this spray. I'm so in love with it. I've got it from Korea and I'm obsessed with all the Korean cosmetics in general, and this one is just so good. It's very dry and it's from Nature Republic. It's eco-friendly and stuff, and I just love it. It's the best sunscreen ever. So we've set our umbrella down so I can stay in the shadow because the sun is too strong. And I'm just going to chill a bit here. It's the only place to be today. And now we arrived to Manly to see our friend Aloha Surf Shop. And we need to repair one board and to buy one surf pad, one of those. So we've bought one of these colorful funny pads for Valentino's new surfboard, and this is Manly area. This area is very nice, but to get here from the city you'll need to get a ferry. Now it's time for lunch, and we found this Dolce Terra cafe in Manly. I like it so much. They've got all these healthy things, salads and smoothies and juices and stuff like that. I like it so much, but Valentino prefers pasta and pizza, of course. So that's how we spent our 45 degrees day. I hope you guys like this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.